Bonjour à tous and welcome to the French Points. I'm sure you remember the est-ce que expression. Those yes or no questions are fun, but basic. How can you ask more than that? As in English, French has many question words and many different ways to use them. When you say many question words, is this a list of words we have to learn by heart? Sadly, I think there is no other trick. Quand means when. Quoi means what. Qui means who. Où means where. Comment means how. And combien means how many or how much. Now, the rule for informal question is subject, verb, question mark. The question, when do you arrive, would be tu arrives quand? Literally, you arrive when. French always keeps that logic for informal questions. Tu fais quoi? What are you doing? Tu es qui? Who are you? Tu es où? Where are you? Tu fais comment? How do you do? Or tu payes combien? How much are you paying? Interesting. And what about formal questions? Are they really different? I will introduce formal questions in another video because it's a bit complicated. However, French sometimes combine the informal question with the est-ce que expression to make a kind of really casual question. For this question, the rule is to start with a question word, to add est-ce que, and then subject, verb, question mark. When do you arrive here becomes quand est-ce que tu arrives? So you have two kinds of casual questions. One only with the question words and one with an extra est-ce que. Why? We use the open question with the expression est-ce que to emphasize on the question form. Remember, the order in such question is question verb, est-ce que, subject, verb, question mark. Quand est-ce que tu arrives? When do you arrive? Qu'est-ce que tu fais? What are you doing? Qui est-ce que tu es? Who are you? Où est-ce que tu es? Where are you?
A few moments later.
Pourquoi est-ce que tu chantes? Why do you sing? Quel est ton numéro de téléphone? What's your number? Your telephone number. If you want to go further, look at these sentences after pausing the video and write your answer in the comments below. You can also order my book, Read French from Day One. Now you understand the open questions. Don't forget, be confident and speak out.